Okay, so guys, this is the easiest way to clean a dusty radiator without making too much of a mess. As you guys can see, my radiator is very dusty. Like, we're gonna make sure this is all cleaned up. So what you will need is a mask. This mask will be for like protecting you from any dust off the radiator. Need some kitchen roll just to clean the top part and the insides. We need some gloves to make sure that your hands stay clean. We'll need an old bottle cleaner. This could be any. You will need a flat screwdriver. Just remember that it's got to be flat from the top. You will need some surface wipes to make sure that to clean it, and you will need a rod. This could be like yeah, this could be a curtain rod. Any rod like that. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna open up the bottle cleaner, take the brush out. We're gonna put the brush in the curtain rod, and that would be your cleaner. That will clean the radiator from the inside. We also need a hoover to make sure that to like clean any dust off the floor, because I'm pretty sure the dust is gonna fall on the floor under there. So yeah. So guys, to open this up, this side of the radiator, if you guys can easily open it up, then that's good. Otherwise, just gently push it outwards like that, so it can come up. There we go. Right, you guys can see there's a lot of dust. You do the same to the other side. Yep, just take the top off. And yeah, like, oh my god, that is very dirty. That's all the dust that's built up over like a period of years. So first what you want to do is you want to clean the top. First what you want to do is you want to clean the top of the radiator with the hoover. Then you will get your rod, and you will just start to shove it down the radiator. As you guys can see, there's lots of dust. Look at that dust, it's all coming out of the radiator. You need to make sure you do it all the way to clean it. This will need to be done throughout every part of your radiator on the inside. Look at that dust. All dust off the radiator, look at that. Can be really annoying. guys can see all the dust is building up at the bottom of the radiator. Well, this is all going to be cleaned up through a hoover. We're all going to clean that up. That's all the dust being built up at the bottom. Look back for any more dust be lurking around. You don't get to do anything properly. Alright. When you've cleaned up all the dust from the inside, just make sure to hoover it from the bottom. Once you've done that, just make sure to run any surface wipes over the bottom, just so to get hold of all that dust. Also make sure to do at the top to clean it up properly. Look at that. Run it all over. Just clean up any dust left over. Make sure to do on every corner. You don't know where the dust could be. Could be everywhere. Especially to a radiator that where the dust has been built over a period of years. Make sure to clean the top as well, the lid of the radiator, Because I'm pretty sure it's going to be full of dust as well, just like the radiator. Look at that, that's all dust. Look, the tissue's been full of the dust. As soon as you run it over with wet tissue, just run it over again with dry tissue just to dry it up. Clean the side lids as well properly. After you've done all of that, just put the lid back on top. Push it down. Close the locks. When you've done that, make sure to put the side lids back on. There we go. As soon as you hear that sound, lock in. The radiator is done. As you guys can see, it's all cleaned out thoroughly. Not a single sign of any dust. No, everything's been cleaned. And obviously, you gotta wipe the surface up. Just to make sure there's no leftover dust. All the way properly from the bottom. Look at that tissue. See, there still was dust on there. You've done that. Make sure to run it over again with normal tissue. Just dry it up. And that's your radiator cleaned in less than 20 minutes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you find this helpful, and if you did find it helpful, make sure to comment it down below. And thank you for watching.